Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 34 for Hotel Management System in Laravel. In this video, we will perform our all pending 3 operation for our services CRUD. In this video, we will perform the show, edit and delete operation. Okay. In our previous video, we have implemented our create and read data. Okay. We have implemented that how we can add data in database and how we can fetch the data from the database. Okay. Now let's implement these three things: view, edit, and delete. Okay. So let's open our customer controller first, and from this we will copy this show code and paste it in our services controller. Okay, you can check the I have explained everything when I have created this customer controller, so you can check that video. Okay, so I think that video will be, if I search customer, so here you can see that. So customer is 3. So here you can see that this is video number 8. Okay, so I have created the customer CRUD, and this is 46-minute video, so you can watch this. Okay. So this will be service and this will be service. Okay, now let's open the show page, and in this we will say add. This will not add actually, this will service detail. Okay, and this will be service, and here it will be title, and let's say photo as it is because we have also photo field. So small detail, you can say full detail, and we have, let's say, we have photos Malia. Okay, so remove this, and in this we have detail description field, small description field, and the photo is as it is. Okay, so this is our show page. So when we will go to our index page here, and we click on this view, then here you can see that this is showing the things. It should be titled. Okay, so with the help of this code we have created our show page. Okay, now let's define our edit page. Okay, so we will open our edit page, and we will say update service, and this will be service, and this will be service, this will be title title. Okay, small description, you can say this will be small description, name is also small description, type is text, or you can say simply text area. Okay, so this will be text area, we don't need this type actually. Okay, we will copy this and paste it here, and this will be detailed description. Okay, so these things are not very tough, you can do it very easily. Okay, but with the help of these things you can do your practice. Okay, so now we have implemented our edit page. Let's go to edit page, click on this. So we have service 1 edit. Okay, actually we need to edit this with the help of this code. We didn't define anything in our edit method actually, so that it is showing empty service. Okay, so title small is okay, so description is not coming. So dollar data small, actually this should be here, because if we are rendering the text area, then it is not in the value, it should be in the tag. Okay, so small description, and this will be detailed description. Okay, now let's edit this. So this will be edited. We need to, one thing more we need to define. I will copy this all code, okay, and paste it here. Okay, now let's see the difference for the update. Okay, no difference. You just need to check this. If we are doing the updation, then we need to find the data. Okay, then we will save the data. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now let's copy the destroy method also. Let's copy this. Okay, so that we will implement this destroy and edit. So here it will be service id, this will be service. Okay, fine, so we are done now. So edited, submit. So photo field is required. Actually we don't need this photo field here, okay, because it will be empty. Maybe it will be empty because our new field name is if the photo is selected, then we will say the photo field. If not selected, then we are saving this previous photo. So actually the previous photo is required. Previous photo should be required field. So let's say previous photo should be required field. So it will be edited, submit, and it is saying, let's go to edit and let's go to admin service id. So why it is not, actually this is edited, but it is not redirecting. Actually we are not redirecting anywhere. We need to redirect. I have not copied this code, sorry. So this will be service, fine. So let's submit. Let's remove this field. This field is creating disturbance for this form. Submit. Okay, now let's say not edited, submit. Okay, fine. So go to the view all and let's try to delete this. Delete. Okay, so the data has been deleted. So we have successfully implemented our services CRUD. Okay, now in the next video we will fetch the data from the backend to the front end, and we will show all the data here, okay, in the front end. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe this channel, and please check the all code on GitHub. Okay, I have defined the link on the home page of this channel. You can check that. It is loading. Let me show you the link, github.com. So it is github.com/code@artisanlab. So here, from here you can download all the code and you can follow me here also. So you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please support me and download the code. Follow me. You can support me via Razorpay and PayPal. Okay, thank you so much.